Alright, it's a bit glary in here. I'm having trouble getting this into reverse. It will not go. It is a push down. It just does. It sort of goes like that. Then I find that's in first. It is glary in here. So I've looked online. I know what the problem is. I've just got to get a temporary fix. So this has got to come off. It has got torque screws there. This side, unfortunately, has got zip ties. So I'm going to need a new one of those. But to get the boot off, get your little tool like this and pop that off. Should come off fairly easily. And if we have a look down in here, just there is a plastic bushing and it is broken. So we'll take this off and then I'll show you. So there are two Torx 20, size 20 on either side at the front of that console piece. And as you can see, this console is knackered. So that will be something to look for at the wreckers. Oh my God, there's some crud down in here. Have a look at that. There's food. Ugh. Yeah. Anyway, this piece here is the problem. There. That has perished totally. So, how are we going to fix it? So I'm going to find something about the same size as that and wrap some tape or something around it so it fills that gap in, and we'll see how we go. So what I'm doing is I found this brush and about there is the same width as your clip or your bushing in there. And I've wound electrical tape around that. Now, as we can see here, that pushes on there. So I'm going to put a few more wraps on there to make it a bit more solid, and then we'll give it a try. Temporary fix though, until I can get the parts. That's our broken part there. As you can see, she's crusty and it's fallen away, crusty and knackered. And that's going to be our temporary fix. Excuse the dirty fingernails working. And that slots onto there. It did a minute ago. Have we got it around the right way? Yeah. Alright, slots on there like so. We'll give it a try. Right, give it a try, come into focus. Just plonk that down. There we go, that's backwards. Forwards. Backwards. I couldn't get it in there for love nor money. So that little quick fix is going to save that for the moment. We'll give it a try. in real life. Push down, back, let's see, there we go. That would take me 6 or 7, 10, 20, 30 goes to get that into gear. So that's good. Only a temporary fix, but it'll do for now. At least I can get it into reverse. Alright folks, that's about it. Hooroo!